Hi, another application for the freeze misers is to use on your RV. This will keep water coming to your RV without the use of a heated hose or utilizing any electricity. Simply get you a Y valve, a two-way shut-off Y valve with the freeze miser, and screw one end of the Y valve into your water connector. Then take the freeze miser and screw it on the other end. Then take your hose and screw it into your Y valve. Then make sure both of the levers are in the open position and turn your water on to full open. And you're protected. This will not only protect your hose, but it will also protect the faucet up to 150 feet. No more depending on the heated hose and depending on having to have electricity. You'll always have water coming to your RV.